So students, this is the continuation of previous video lecture. See, this is a quadri raster data structure. As similar to the representation of different data structures, it is also having a different data structure. See, this is a first example. Same example I have taken here. So in this, it will be represented in terms of something like this: north, west. See, I'm dividing this total 8 by 8 grid in terms of north, east, south, west. So in this, again I am dividing some different cells. How I am dividing means, see, this is the north south direction and this one is the east west direction. See, for example, I am taking first one as a northwest. This one is the north and this one is the west. What is including in between north and west is nothing but this part, this one, this four, this four, this four, and this one. So this is the one structure. Coming to this one, southwest, southwest. So this is nothing but total this area, southwest. So this is this area. Again, similarly, southeast, southeast. Similarly, northeast, this area. Initially, in this data structure, I am dividing by means of northwest, southwest, southeast, northeast. Okay, I am taking it as a one single part. First one, see here carefully, northwest. Take northwest. In this quad tree representation, data will be recorded. Generally, we are taking in terms of this direction, means anti-clockwise direction. Means it is recorded in this manner. Okay, it is recorded in this manner. See how first one is a this one northwest, this total box. Initially, it will be having empty, means there is no boundaries, or that particular area will not included anything. So initially, if you take this one means this four, one two, sorry, one two three four, it is also represented in terms of something like this. We have to represent, okay, always anti-clockwise direction. This one is a 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, in the first one, it is not included, or no boundaries are sharing here. So that is the reason why here it will be 0, it is a empty one. If you take second one, it is also not sharing any boundaries. That is the reason why it is also 0. If you take the third one, 1 2 3, third one, because northwest is up to here, third one, it will, this area is totally sharing the boundaries. That is the reason why it is we are representing in terms of dark circle. So this means which is storing the data completely. So see, this one, this fourth one is entirely different. This three, fourth one, it will be having, it will sharing only one particular cell or one particular pixel only, it will be sharing the data. So in this particular case, we have to represent, again we have to take one box, again we have to represent some individuals. See, this one is a for this cell, this one is empty, empty. For the second pixel, it is also not sharing anything, so 0. For the third, so always we have to follow this one. For third one, it is sharing the boundaries. That is the reason why we have make it as a darker. And fourth one, again it is not sharing any boundaries. We have to represent something like this. Okay, similarly, see the southwest. This one is a southwest. So initially it is also having only it is also sharing one boundary. So this is the reason why it is also sharing one boundary, first one. So 1 2 it is not sharing anything, and third one it is sharing the boundary. That is the reason why it is darker in the circle. So fourth one, again it is not having anything. Similarly, see the second one, 1 2 3 it will be having it will not sharing any boundaries, so zeros. And fourth one, it is sharing the boundaries. And see the third one, 1 2 3. So this one is a 1, so 2 3 and 4. The third one, first one it is sharing the boundary, second third it is not sharing anything, again fourth it is sharing the boundaries. Okay, fourth one it is sharing the boundaries. See, in the total, this fourth one, it is total completely sharing the boundaries. So that is the reason why here the fourth one, here itself it is making completely darker, which means it is sharing the boundaries. Similarly, this southeast and northeast also same. For example, southeast means this area. For example, see first one, this is a first one, second, third and fourth. First one it is completely sharing the boundary, first one it is completely sharing the boundary. And second one, see, first and fourth are sharing the boundaries, first and fourth are sharing the boundaries. For the second, four grids. And third one, only first one is sharing the boundaries. Third one, first one is sharing the 1 2 3. Third one, first, only first one sharing the boundaries. Okay, again if you take fourth one, fourth one also it is sharing 1 2. First two are sharing the boundaries, remaining two are the not sharing any boundaries. Similarly, northeast, northeast also same. Okay, see, again you will have some small topic here, data conversion. So what is mean by data conversion? Mainly we are having two types of data. First one is the raster data and second one is the vector data. That is already you know that. See, there is two terminology here, rasterization and vectorization. First one, see the what is mean by rasterization. Rasterization is nothing but the conversion of vector data to raster data is called as the rasterization. See, conversion of vector data. Vector data, how will represent vector data in the form of points, lines and polygons. These points, lines, polygons are converted into the raster data. That is nothing but the rasterization. Coming to the vectorization, the conversion of raster data to vector data is called as the vectorization. So, if it is converting into the raster data, we can calling it as a rasterization. If it is converting into the vector data, then we can calling it as a vectorization. See the statement, the conversion of this process of converting vector data which is the series of points, lines, and polygons into the raster data, which is the series of cells each with a distinct value. Means these points, lines, polygons are converted into the cells. Cells is nothing but this one, rows and columns. For each value, each cell, it will be having some value. Some value means it may be a point, it may be a line, or it may be a polygon, something like this. Okay, I have given in the previous one PDF, in that he has given about this data conversion. Okay, thank you.